Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error performing request unknown error. So guys, if you are getting this error, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on dismiss. So guys, basically it's happen when you entered incorrect USSD. Okay guys, so guys, if you are entering incorrect USSD, maybe that's why it's not working. So first of all guys, let me show you here. Now I'm going to check my balance. So from here guys, you have to wait some second. You can easily see here guys, I don't have in balance in my sim. So guys, if you have, then you can see the balance here. So guys, if you enter incorrect USD, so from here you have to wait some second. From here guys, what you have to do, just simply have to wait some time. You can easily see error performing request unknown error. So guys, just simply have to recheck your USC and make sure that if it's working or not. If it's not working guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the settings. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to locate for the mobile service. Now after that guys, you have to tap on network selection and make sure that if you have turned on automatic. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on mobile data options. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on voice and data and just simply have to make sure that if you have selected this one. Now after that, go back. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go back again. Now scroll it down and make sure that you're not connected with any VPN, and then force restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.